In this video, I will show you how to send money from Remitly to Eritrea. So to do this, go and open up the Remitly website or go to the app, and then here at the top where it says Colombia for me right now, just click on the drop down and set it to Eritrea. And make sure that the country you are sending from is also correct, and then just choose how much you want to send, either in your currency or in theirs, and then click on get this rate. Now on your first transfer you won't have to pay any fees. From here, just gonna sign up if you don't have an account yet. It should only take 1 or 2 minutes. Now I already have an account, so I'll just continue with Google to sign into my account. Now for me the country was reset to Colombia again, so to change it just click on the drop down and search for Eritrea and select it. Then here click on send money, and then here make sure that the amount is correct and click on continue. Then here select a cash pickup option, so right now they only have cash pickup. So for example, Himbo Financial Services, and then you will need to enter their first and last name, then the city that they live in and the region as it would appear on a valid ID card. Then enter the mobile number of your recipient. Now this is optional, and then they will get transfer updates so they can see the money is available, but for now I'll just skip this one. Then choose the reason for sending the money, and then your relationship to the recipient. Now to pay for the transfer, go and add your card right there. And after you add your card, you can then use that to pay for the transfer. So after this screen, you will see an overview of all the details, so make sure it's correct. And if it is, then go and confirm it and pay for it. And then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Eritrea. So now you know how to do a Remitly money transfer to Eritrea. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.